Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this amazingly awesome and affordable phone from a company called TCL. If you think you've heard that name before, it's because they make some of the most amazing affordable televisions, and same thing with phones. They make an amazing smartphone. I've been so impressed with this phone. This is the TCL 30SE unlocked 4G phone, LTE phone. Really great. It is GSM, so it's meant to work with T-Mobile or AT&T here in the US, or any of the third-party companies that work off of those networks, which there are a ton of them. It is a really feature-rich phone. It is available with 64 or 128 gigabyte ROM. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM built into it. It has a MicroSD card slot, so you can expand your memory up to 512 additional gigabytes for tons of storage by just buying a micro SD card to add in there. Just all kinds of great stuff. It has a 5,000 mAh battery. That is a ton of battery power. You can go for a couple of days, depending on how you use your phone. You might go for several days, but even if you use your phone a lot, you can go for a couple of days without having to worry about charging it, and that is great. It also has super advanced camera system built into it. It has a 50 megapixel camera. 50 megapixel. That is super high resolution. It also has an AI photo capturing in order to make sure you're getting optimized video as well as pictures. It does have macro mode. It has a really cool portrait bokeh effect. The front camera even supports HDR, so that if you're taking selfies, you can get great pictures doing that. Great things. It has a 6.52-inch screen. That screen is about the same size as an iPhone 13 Pro Max. What is amazing about this phone is with that huge battery and with that big screen, it's about half the weight of an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It is so light and easy to carry, which I love. On the back, besides those 3 camera lenses that help you get those amazing photographs, you also have a fingerprint sensor. So you can unlock this with a fingerprint. You can also unlock this with Face ID. It does have face recognition to unlock your phone, as well as, of course, traditional ways such as a pin. You can see this front screen just has that nice little teardrop design. So just a tiny little teardrop for the camera at the top, which is great because it doesn't impinge on the notification tray at the top, so you can still see all your notification icons for all your incoming messages and notifications, which is really cool. Just really a feature-rich phone, and in the box, they include not only a charger and charging cord, which, as you know, a lot of companies aren't doing that anymore, but they include that. They also include a phone case and a screen protector. So you don't have to buy the phone and then go out and spend $30 or $40 more buying those accessories. They all come in the box, which is really great, especially for a phone that is already so affordable. Now, they've added a few of their own tricks along with the Android. It has one of the latest versions of Android, but then they have some really cool optimizations to that. One of the ones I love the most is they have this little, you can't even see it, but there's a little very slight thing on the edge here, and if you just brush over, it opens up this shortcut bar, and you can get actions such as taking a screenshot or turning on your flashlight. You also can have apps, so apps that you like to have quick access to all the time. You can have contacts who you call or text most frequently, and then you have a ruler in case you need a ruler. So all that is right there. Anywhere you are in your phone, you just swipe from that edge and that pops up, even if you're inside another app, which is really great. It also has tons of settings and features to make the phone work great for you. The screen itself is AI optimized to make sure you're getting the best screen display and brightness level and all that stuff depending on how you're using your phone and what you're doing with your phone at the moment. That includes having a blue light filter to be able to make sure that if it's late at night and you're using your phone, you can filter out the blue lights that won't affect your eyes or affect your sleep. Which is great. It has everything that you would want in a smartphone, but at an affordable price. So if you are looking for a phone that is feature-rich, has a big battery that will last you a long time, has a nice big beautiful display, has an excellent camera system, supports 4G LTE for a GSM carrier, then this is an excellent phone. The TCL 30SE phone, definitely an amazing phone, and definitely a phone that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, and share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.